Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Animal Care and Vlogs. Today I'm going to say you about cocktails. Let's begin with the diet of cocktails. Cocktails eat a variety of seeds, like grass seeds, fruits, berries and vegetables. They have been known to raid farmers' crops. Most of breeds cocktails should sleep at least in a day 12 to 14 hours minimum, maximum 15 hours. Most of the cocktail breeds live up to 10 to 15 years and some could live up to 20 years. Cocktail's price in India is 4,000 rupees to 18,000 rupees and some of the breeds are way more expensive, like the price of 80,000 rupees. In America, cocktails price are the Latino cocktail cost $150 to $250. The Pearl cocktail cost $150 to $200. And the cinnamon cocktail cost $130 to $160. Guys, I'm going to show you a lifespan of cocktail, a cocktail baby to grow up. Let's see it. Bye guys, I hope you liked my video. Coming down the next animal. See you in the next video. Bye.